everybody, my name is Karina. Welcome back. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious California burrito. It has carne asada, guacamole, papas, so delicious, full of flavor. If you guys want to see how I make it, keep watching. We're going to start off by cutting the meat into smaller pieces, just like this. I'm using 1.5 pounds of flat meat. Now it's time to season the meat. I'm going to use the juice of 1 orange, the juice of 1 lime, 1/4 of a white onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of carne asada seasoning, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. 1/2 of a jalapeño, some cilantro, and last 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We mix everything in. I almost forgot, we add salt to taste. And now we let it marinate for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time to prepare the pico de gallo. I'm gonna be adding 2 Roma tomatoes, 1/4 of a red onion, some cilantro, 1/2 of a jalapeño, some pepper, the juice of 1 lime, and some salt to taste. And now we mix. We set it to the side and work on our guacamole. For the guacamole, I'm gonna use 2 small avocados, 1 minced garlic clove. I'm just gonna mash it down with a fork. Some cilantro, the juice of 1 lime, and salt to taste. And now we mix it. Next, I'm gonna peel and cut the potatoes. I'm using 2. I'm gonna put them on ice water until I'm ready to fry them. I've set my pan on medium-high heat with some oil. Oil is now hot. We're gonna add the meat. We're gonna cook it until all the juice dries out. It's been 12 minutes and our meat is now done. On a separate pan, on medium-high heat with some oil, I'm gonna start frying the potatoes. I've already patted them dry with a paper towel. We're gonna fry them until we have golden, crispy potatoes. Fries are now ready and I'm gonna take them out. I'm gonna transfer them to a plate with a paper towel so they can absorb the excess oil. Sprinkle a little bit of salt. I've set my skillet on medium-high heat and I'm gonna warm up the flour tortilla. We're only gonna warm it up for a little bit on each side. Now we're gonna put together our burrito. I'm gonna add some guacamole. You add as much as you like. Some carne asada. Next we add some fries. Our pico de gallo. Some sour cream. And last, some Mexican blend cheese. And now we roll it up. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to the skillet and we're gonna toast the burrito. I'm gonna flip it and toast it on the other side. And there you have it, delicious California burrito. Okay guys, moment of truth, but first, tapatio. Cheers. Mm-hmm. So delicious. The meat is just perfect. All right, guys, that's it for this one. If you've made it this far and you haven't subscribed, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so you won't miss any of our new videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.